welcome to JMH Tech. So I'll be showing you how to change the aperture in manual mode. So now the manual mode, you can reach it by switching this rotator. So now I switch to manual mode. So manual mode is a great option for pro photographers who are keen to take superb pictures, since the auto mode does not give you the freedom you need. So now in the manual mode, you can change both the shutter speed and the aperture. So the aperture is the f13 and the shutter speed is the 1/30. So now you can change the shutter speed by moving this dial, but the aperture won't change when you change this dial. So now to change the aperture, you will have to hold this button, which is this plus or minus button. So as you hold it, you will have to hold it, and as you hold it, change this dial. So now you can see that the aperture is changing. So this gives you more freedom to change both the shutter speed and aperture to get superb images.